First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in the lesson number 74 for grade 2 mathematics. What we are studying nowadays, guys, we are studying about the solids, uh, 3D shapes. Okay, in 3D shapes, we have learnt about the edges, faces, and vertices, and we have started to learn about the 3D shapes, examples of 3D shapes. Yesterday, we discussed about the cube and cuboid. We discussed the examples of cube and cuboid also, and we also discussed cylinder. And we have learned that how many faces, how many edges, and how many vertices are there in cube, cuboid, and in cylinder. Look at this shape. These are the examples of cube. This is the example of cube. How many sides and how many faces, how many faces, how many vertices, and how many edges are there in cube? So there are 6 faces in the cube: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can see every face is equal to every face is there in cube is equal square. Okay, and there are 12 edges and 8 vertices. You can look here, we have write the properties. It has 6 faces, all faces are equal squares. It has 12 edges and it has 8 vertices. Okay, so this cube is the example of cuboid, and this matchbox, this is the example of cuboid. It is also having 6 faces, but its faces are some of the faces are rectangular, but in cube all faces are equal square. But in rectangle you can see some of the faces are rectangle. It is also having 6 faces, it is also having 12 edges, and it is also having 8 vertices like cuboid. The only difference is that some of the faces in the cuboid are in a rectangular shape, not in a square all faces are not in a square shape in cuboid. Okay, and we have too many examples of cuboid like room also. Okay, then we started the third one, that is cylinder. Okay, uh, cylinder, uh, we discussed yesterday that cylinder is having 3 faces. Two of the faces of the cylinder are flat, and one of the face of this is curved. So this one and this one, these two are flat faces, and this one is curved edges. I show you in the video also yesterday that how it is having 3 faces. This and this is, these two are flat faces. Flat mean you can put something on it and it cannot be rolled. This is the curved face, you can roll it, and there are 3 faces. So now take out your notebook and start writing that cylinder, it has 3 faces. It has 3 faces. We discussed about the cylinder yesterday. Now you have to write it. How many faces does the cylinder have? It has 3 faces. Two of them are flat, or you can write 2 faces are flat. One face is curved. In that way you can write it. It has 3 faces. 2 faces are flat and 1 face is curved. And if we talk about the edges, it has 3 faces. Let me make it bullet for you. It has 3 faces, and it has 2 of the faces are flat, one of them is curved. And if we talk about the edge, it is having 2 edges, but they both are curved. It has 2 edges, they both are circular edges, you can say. It has 2 edges. I'm writing curved in a bracket. It has 2 curved edges. This is the first one, and here is the second one. These are the two edges of the cylinder. And it doesn't have any vertex. You cannot find any corner here. Okay, no corner is there. That's why it doesn't have any vertices. There is no corner or there is no vertex in cylinder. Again, I repeat, guys, cylinder, it has three faces, 1, 2, and 3. Two of the faces are flat and one of them is curved. It has two edges. This is 1, this is 2, and it doesn't have any vertex. Is that clear, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you writing with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You already
Yes,
finished.
sir.
I already finished gender.
I don't finish.
Very good. Finish it. Finish the cylinder. Cylinder has three faces. Two of them are flat and one of the face of cylinder is curved. How many edges are there in cylinder? There are two edges in cylinder. And how many vertices are there? There is no vertex in cylinder, as I show to you.
Oh, cylinder.
If we talk about cuboid, there are how many faces in cuboid and cube? So there are 6 flat faces in cube and cuboid, 8 vertices, 12 edges.
Okay.
Complete this cylinder so that we can go to write another shape. We will learn one more shape. After cylinder, we are going to learn about cone. After cylinder, we are going to learn about cone. And I can show you here. Look, these are two flat faces and this is one of them is curved. And you will look at this edge also. This will be the edge. It will be highlighted now. This is the edges. 1 and 2. These are the edges of this cylinder. The next shape is cone. The next shape we are going to study, that is cone. This is a cone. This is the picture of cone. First you finish it, then I'll discuss the cone with you. How many faces, how many vertices, and how many edges are there. You have seen the example of cone like a road barrier. Where whenever you see, you go to the road, you'll find some for traffic controlling for whenever a road is blocked. Okay, so they use this, and ice cream, cone ice cream, you can see that is also shape of cone. Did you finish cylinder, guys? Can I go down?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
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 No, I don't finish.
I finished it.
Okay. uh, I'm giving you 2 minutes, right? But I'm discussing the cone also. Okay, guys, if you see the cone, so there are, who is opening his mic? How many faces, edges, and vertices are there in cone? So Cone has only one vertex, one edge, and two faces. If you see the cone, so there are two faces in cone. One of them is flat, on which you can put something. Okay, this is a flat that cannot be rolled. And one of the faces curved. One of the faces in the cone is curved, and one of the face is flat. And how many edges are there? There is only one edge, and that is a circular edge. Okay, like we studied in cylinder. Okay, and in cylinder there was no vertex, but there is one vertex in cone. When I show you the shape of cone, then you will be able to recognize. Well, you complete it fast. Until then, I'm asking you a question. I'm going to open the chat, and you have to tell me. Tell me how many vertices are there in cuboid. How many vertices are there in cuboid? 6, 4, 6, 4. Look here, this is cuboid. How many vertices are there in cuboid? Why some students are saying 4? 8, it's 8. There are 8 vertices in cuboid. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and down here 8. The answer is 8. Okay. Come down, guys. This is a cone. Look, this is the only vertex this cone is having. This is the only vertex this cone is having. This one is one of the curved face, and this one is a flat face. Okay. There are how many faces in cone? 2. One of them is flat and one of them is curved. I can show you here also. Look, this is cone. It has 2 faces. This is the flat one, and this one here is the curved one. So there are 2 faces in cone. This is the cone shape. This is the vertex. It was the curved face. It is the circular face. And this is the edge. This is the edge. This one is curved. This is a flattened circle. Circular edge. This is the circular edge. Look here. And this is the vertex. So you can say that cone, I'm going to write the heading cone. This is cone. It has two faces. It has 2 faces. One face is flat. Flat means you can put something on it and that cannot be rolled. And one face is curved. It has 2 faces. One face is flat and one face is curved. How many edges are there in a cone? There is only one edge. It has one edge, which is curved. And in cone, we know there is a vertex too, and there is only one vertex. It has one vertex. Cone has two faces. One of the face is flat, one of the face is curved. It has one edge that is also curved and it has one vertex. Is that clear, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Easy.
Easy.
You should know the properties of these 3D shapes, guys, in order to identify any shape. You can identify some shapes like cone and cylinder in a just eye bird view, but some of the shapes, for the some of the shapes, you should know the properties that will help you to identify any shape. Okay, I show you how it is. It has two faces. This is one, and this one is another one. This is the flat one. This is the curved one. One edge. This is the edge. Edge is what? A line by which one face meet another face. This curved face is meeting flat face through that line. So this is the curved edge. Okay, and it has one vertex. One vertex where uh, a corner and one more edges meet. So this is the vertex. So you have studied now cone, cylinder, tube, and cuboid. You have studied about cone, cylinder, cube, and cuboid. Now we are going to study two more shapes, and that is pyramid or tetrahedron. Is there any problem in cone, cylinder, or cube and cuboid? Yes, is there any problem?
No.
No easy. No
No
easy.
easy.
Okay, I'm going to open the chat. If you have questions, you can send me a message there. I can open your mic and I can reply you. I can ask you. Yes, any question, guys? Chat is open. Saud, no. Mm-hmm. Suleiman Saleh, no. Ali's iPad, no. Yes, Rafiq, sir, age it's same curved. Rafiq, age, what I tell you about the age is the line through which one face meet another face. Okay, cone is, oh sorry, age here. I discuss about you the age. Age is the line through which one face meet another face. So look here, this is the face, a flat face, and this is the curved face. So this face is meeting this face through that line. Okay, so this is the edge. Okay, this whole line is edge. This is the surface, the upper part, and this one is curved face. So edge is basically line. You can find edges like here. This is edge. uh, this is edge here. This curved face, this is whole curved one face. This is another face, this is another face. This is edge because that is joining this face and this face. Here in cuboid, look, this, this, all are faces. They are joining by their edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4, this one 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. So these all are edges, okay? Now I'm going to open again chat. Yes, any other? Yes, Abdul Rahim, sir, you said sir. Any question now? If you did not understand anything, you can ask me, no problem. I can repeat for you. If you have questions, so write. I will write in the book and finish. Okay, yes, there is one vertex. Okay, you understand it. Very good. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to draw one more shape. I'm moving towards a new shape. Where is that? The next shape is, guys, is pyramid. Okay, the next shape is pyramid. We have to check how many faces, how many vertices, and how many edges are there in pyramid. So I'm going to write about now pyramid. Wait for a while, please. Look at the shape. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Yes,
Very good. Guys, this shape is known as rectangular pyramid. This shape is known as rectangular pyramid. It has 5 flat faces, it has 8 edges, and it has 5 vertices. I show you how. This is the first face, front. It's opposite 2, 3, 4, and this is the base. This is the down. Okay. So there are 5 faces. This is the front. There is opposite back, left, right, and down. There are 5 flat faces in rectangular pyramid. Okay. I can write it about. This is rectangular pyramid. It has 5 flat faces. It has 5 flat faces. Look, guys, 1, 2, 3. This is 1. Here 2. This is 3. This is 4. And this one is base. Guys, this bottom one is known as base. Okay. This one is known as base. This is the base. It has 5 flat faces, rectangular pyramid. And you can see that 4 faces are triangular. 4 faces are in triangular shape here. I explain you what that was, what does that mean. 4 faces are triangular and 1 face is rectangular. one face is rectangular. That means, guys, that its four faces are in the shape of triangle. Look, this is the shape of triangle, 1. This face is also having the shape of triangle, 2. This one is also having the shape of triangle, and this one is also having the shape of triangle. Okay, and one face is rectangular. You can see here, this is the base. The base of it, even I can write its base. Base of it is rectangular. So this base is rectangular shape. So there are 5 flat faces in rectangular pyramid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 faces are triangular, 1 face is rectangular. I can show you in the book also. Check in your book. This is rectangular pyramid. Okay. This is triangular. This 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is front. This is left. This is right. Okay. And this is base. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. Among 5 faces, 4 of them are in triangular shape, and the base of it is rectangular. So you can identify a rectangular pyramid if any shape, any 3D shape is having 5 flat faces and it has a base, I mean the bottom, a base. This base is rectangular and other 4 faces are in triangular shape. You can identify easily if there are 5 flat faces, 4 of them are in triangular, 4 faces are triangular shape, and 1 face is rectangular shape. Okay, and it has 8 edges. So you can see, guys, there are 8 edges. Edges means line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 edges, you can see. Edges are the lines through which one face meet another face. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there are 8 edges in a rectangular pyramid. I can come here to the file and I can write it has 8 edges. You can check in this also. 1, 2, 3. This triangle 3, 4, 5. This is now 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Again, I repeat. Look at this triangle. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. 4, 5. 5 are now. Now check the dotted one. 6, 7, 8. It has 8 edges. Is that clear, guys? Yes or no?
Sir, I
10.
Yes, sir.
There's 6, 6.
Eight.
I didn't finish.
8, 8.
Okay, I'm not going to raise it. If you did not finish, I'm not going to raise it. I'm just asking, do you understand or not? How it is having 8 edges and how it is having 5 flat faces.
No, sir, no. I don't know how to. No, sir, no.
Listen, guys, it has
No,
5
no.
it has 5 flat faces. Okay, if you look this rectangular pyramid, so it is having 5 faces. This is the front. Okay, and opposite to that front, it is backside. There are 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5, fifth. I try to show here in the book. Look, this is the left one. I take this one. This is the first face, okay, the front. Exactly opposite to that, on that side, there is the second one. So these are 2 faces now. Okay. Now, this is the left one, only this one. This is the left one. This is the left one, 3. This is the right one. Okay, 4. And then you have a base. This is the base. This whole rectangle is the base. This whole base. Okay, so this is one, a rectangle, a front 2, exactly opposite to that on the back side, 3, on left side 4, and on right side 5. In that way it has 5 faces. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
In that way it has 5 faces.
Yes, yes.
When we talk about
Yes.
the ages, so you can check the ages also. It has how many ages? 8 ages. I can show you. Look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at, these are the 4 ages here. 1, 5, 6. This one now. It is 7 and it is 8. Now, is it clear how it is having 8 ages? Clear or not?
I don't know how to draw it.
I don't know.
But there's eight, sir.
If you are not able to draw it, no problem. Okay, but you should be able to recognize it. Okay, you should be able to recognize it. That is it a rectangular pyramid or not? All right, guys, the class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye then.